बहुत बढ़िया कर रखा है. Presentation is wonderful. Congratulations to you. A very good job done. Real service to the industry. And I really wonder where you get this energy from, and your dedication is mind blowing. Thank you so much.
मनीष जी बहुत सुंदर बनाया है ये तो और इतने लोगों के रिस्पांस पेंट इंडस्ट्री में इतना बड़ा डायरेक्टरी मैंने पहली बार देखा. सुंदर, अति सुंदर. सच बताओ मनीष जी बहुत सुंदर बनाया है. ये पेंट विजन की बहुत अच्छी एफर्ट है और इसी तरह चलाते रहिए ये एफर्ट को. आगे से इसका कोई डिजिटल वर्जन निकले तो हमारी यंग जनरेशन भी इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह यूज़ कर पाएगी. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट मनीष हैज प्रोड्यूस्ड दिस पेंट विजन बायस गाइड. He just writes paint industry guide, but it is more like a bias guide. Great. Thank you. Congratulations to all. Thank you.
Congratulations, and looking to the digital version of this also, and many more events and another projects from Paint Vision. Heartiest congratulations to all of you.
This is a one-stop solution for so many people in the paint industry, for paint manufacturers, for people who supply to paint, or for people who buy paint. It's a brilliant job. I think nobody in the industry has ever done this before, except Manish ji. And kudos to you. Hearty thanks and congratulations for your new job.
Good job, good work, and good information to all paint and coating people all over India. Thank you.
Making this beautiful directory, I think it is very much required, because such kind of a directory covers the interest of so many small scale industry people who are otherwise not visible. And definitely the big companies have lots of funds for making lot advertisements and everything, but the small and middle level companies, this directory is a boon, and this will be very useful for them to enhance their business and at the same time make themselves visible to lots of user industry, contractors, small contractors and things like that. So I congratulate you for making this very nice effort to make this beautiful directory, which will be useful for one and all in paint industry.
एक्सीलेंट सर, बहुत एक्सीलेंट बनाई है सर आपने. ग्रेट सर. सर इससे पूरी इंडस्ट्री को, पेंट इंडस्ट्री को, रॉ मटेरियल इंडस्ट्री को, सबको फ़ायदा होगा. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को फ़ायदा होगा, सप्लायर को फ़ायदा होगा कि कहाँ पे क्या क्या चीज़ अवेलेबल है, क्या क्या नहीं अवेलेबल है. अंडर द वन सोर्स you are providing each and every information. That is a very useful. We are really, industry will be the thankful to Manish ji for such a gift given to each and every manufacturer, supplier without any cost. Free of cost you are providing. This is a Indian Google. Indian Google, just you have to spend 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes you will get each and every details of the manufacturer, suppliers, everything, where you will get the additives, where you will get the minerals, where you will get the titanium, where you will get the resin. Really sir, we are thankful to Manish ji for such a gift in a short period of time. All the best Manish ji. Thank you.
So it's very detailed information about the industry.
It has come out very well. It has lots and lots of information about almost all players in the paint industry. It's very nice, and I'm sure, you know, I hope the reach for this goes over 20-30,000 copies at least in the near future. So wishing you all the very best, and thank you for helping us participate in making.